Cosmology Supplement 3, Negative Pressure. Hello, welcome to this short supplement on the negative pressure of dark energy for the Expansion of the Universe course. The lecture script is available at a link given in the description of this video. In the main course, we learned that dark energy, or the cosmological constant, exert negative pressure, which accelerates the expansion of the universe. We want to understand negative pressure better. First, we consider ordinary positive pressure of matter, a gas. Consider gas in a cylinder with a movable piston. The cylinder and piston will be insulated, so no heat goes in or out. So this heat will be zero. The gas has some temperature and exerts a positive pressure and positive force on the piston. If the piston moves upward, expanding the volume, the gas has done work on the external system attached to the piston. The energy of the external system increases, the energy of the gas in the cylinder decreases, and the temperature of the gas decreases. So for ordinary positive pressure of matter, or of radiation, the total energy of the gas in the cylinder decreases as the volume increases. The opposite would occur if the cylinder contains only dark energy, or the cosmological constant, though we cannot accomplish this in any laboratory. There is negative pressure on this piston. As the piston moves upward, the external system does work on the system inside the cylinder. For the negative pressure of dark energy, or the cosmological constant, the total energy inside the cylinder increases as the volume increases. The cosmological constant is a constant energy density that never changes. The total energy inside the cylinder is the energy density times the volume. As the volume increases, the total energy increases. In a thermodynamic sense, the additional energy in the volume as the piston is raised comes from the negative pressure causing the external system to do work on the volume within the cylinder. But if you're asking where does the energy come from really, like dark energy particles getting created and expanding space, that's not the useful way to think about it. Now, if you say that negative pressure just cannot exist in the universe, there is a useful analogy. Consider the piston to be connected to the bottom of the cylinder with a spring that has been extended. The spring wants to return to its normal length, and it exerts a downward force on the piston, like negative pressure. For the piston to rise, the external system must do work on the spring to increase its energy, like the increased total energy of the dark energy. A physical spring exerts a force proportional to the length we extend it, but here we have to imagine a non-physical spring whose force is constant, independent of the location of the piston. For expansion of the universe, it is not that a given region is enclosed by insulating walls. Rather, there is no net heat transfer from one region to another. I hope this helps you to understand what is meant by the negative pressure of dark energy and the cosmological constant.